Now let's look at this. Choose the word with the correct stress pattern. Choose the word with the correct stress pattern. And we have here capitalism, okay? Capitalism. For those in my class and those who are on YouTube, okay, I've taught you guys how to identify the root word of a word, okay? Now, when you have a word like this, capitalism, what you should do is to look for the root word, okay? When you have a polysyllable word and you have to identify the stress level of the word, okay, what you should look out for is the root word of the word, okay? Now, we have capitalism here, okay? Capitalism has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables, okay? Capitalism, okay? It has 5 syllables, and we are going to look for the root word of the word capitalism, and the root word of the word capitalism is capital, okay? Capital is the root word of the word capitalism, okay? So we are going to focus on capital. Now we have a word that ends with al, okay? We have a word that ends with al, a word like bilateral, collateral, integral, okay? All these words end with A, and we have a word that ends with AL. Stress the third syllable from the end, okay? When we have a word that ends with AL, we should stress the third syllable from the end of the word, okay? Now we have capital. Capital, okay? Now we're going to stress the third syllable from the end of the word capital, okay? Now we have capital, okay? Capital, capital, okay? The third step from the end of this word is cap. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So the third level from the end is CA. Okay, so the correct answer is option B. Okay, the same thing with the word integral. Now the word integral, okay, also ends with AL. So we're going to stress the third level from the end. Okay, integral. So the first level is on IN. Okay, the word collateral, okay? Collateral. Okay? The word collateral ends with AL. So we're gonna straight the first level from the end, okay? The first level from the end, collateral. It has 4 levels, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the stress is here. The word bilateral, the same thing, okay? When you have a word that ends with AL, make sure you stress the third level from there. And all this been helpful, okay? Now, if you want to join my class, my online class, my live online class that is going to start on November 4, okay, for those who are preparing to sit JAMB UTME next year, okay, we are starting a live online class on November 4, 2024. Okay, if you've not joined us, send a WhatsApp message to the number that is on the screen to join us. The fee is 1,000 naira per subject per month. Okay, make sure you join us if you are preparing to sit JAMB UTME and you aim to score above 300. Make sure you join us. Most of the people that joined me last year scored above 300, and this could be you next year. The fee is 1,000 naira per subject per month, okay, like I said, and use the number on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message if you want to join us, okay? Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon.